Welcome to my Arduino project. My project involves piezo sensors, and what happens is when they have been tapped by somebody, a MIDI note will be played. So for example, if I just demonstrate this for you, if I tap the first one, you can hear a sound. If I tap the second one, you can hear a different sound, and if I tap the third one, it's another different sound. Piezos are connected through 1M resistors, and the MIDI is connected to a 220 ohm resistor. This is a diagram that I've created on Fritzing, a program that allows me to show you how everything is connected up onto my Arduino. So I've only connected one piezo because they are all connected the same, but as you can see, a wire is connected to ground, and then from that ground wire there is a 1M resistor which is inputted, and the piezo is attached to that 1M resistor. For the MIDI to work, I attached the wire to ground again, attached the wire to 5 volts, and I attached a 220 ohm resistor as you can see, and I attached the MIDI ports accordingly. And there is a wire also connected to TX1 on the Arduino. This is the code that I have used for my Arduino project. I have taken this code from the Arduino website and I've edited it to make it work the way how I want it to. I will not go through everything, but I'll just go through the main part. This what I'm highlighting over here, this is the code that I've used for each piezo sensor that is connected into my Arduino. Remember, a piezo sensor will not work unless it is attached to a 1M resistor. To allow sound output to come out from the piezo when it has been knocked, this code is needed. This is MIDI code. MIDI code allows a note to be heard when the piezo has been knocked. These first set of digits over here, these are the command. The second set of digits are the pitch, and the third set of digits mean the velocity. In order to have MIDI code sound output coming out from the Arduino when the piezo has been knocked, a synthesizer was created. I created this synthesizer on SynthEdit. This is just a basic synthesizer. If you can see it on the right hand side, there is a MIDI monitor. And what this MIDI monitor does, it just tells the user that once the piezo has been tapped by somebody, they'll be able to hear sound. So for example, if I just demonstrate this for you now, if I tap one piezo, you can see it says note on, note off, note on, note off, and it goes on through with all the piezos that are connected into the Arduino. Finally, I'll just demonstrate how my Arduino project works. As mentioned before, piezos will only work if they are connected to 1M resistors, otherwise they will not work at all. So I'll just demonstrate now how my project works. So if I was to tap the first piezo, it plays the note through MIDI. If I was to tap the second one, it's a different sound MIDI note, and if I tap the third one, it's another different sound note. So this is my final Arduino project, and thank you for watching.